Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Thinking about a Roth IRA. It's a fantastic way to save for retirement, letting your money grow completely tax-free. And when it comes to choosing a brokerage, Vanguard is a top contender. They're famous for their super low-cost investment options like index funds, which can really make a difference over time. Plus, their platform is quite user-friendly, especially once you get started. It's a solid choice for building your financial future. Before you open your account, it's important to know the rules. To contribute to a Roth IRA, you need to have earned income from a job or self-employment. There are also specific income limits. If your income is too high, you might not be able to contribute the full amount, or even at all. Be sure to look up the current year's contribution limits. For example, in 2024, the limit is $7,000 for most people, or $8,000 if you're 50 or older. Knowing these details helps you plan your contributions effectively. Opening your Roth IRA with Vanguard is pretty simple. First, gather all your personal info, like your social security number and your employer's details, to make the process smoother. Then, head over to Vanguard's official website. You'll see an option to open an account. Just select Roth IRA from the list of options. The online application is very user-friendly, guiding you through each step. You'll be asked to provide your details and link a bank account for funding. Once your account is open, the next step is funding it. The easiest way to get money into your new Roth IRA is by linking your bank account for electronic transfers. You can set up one-time contributions or, even better, set up recurring deposits. This makes saving truly automatic and ensures you consistently contribute towards your retirement goals. Whether you start with a lump sum or small, regular amounts, getting your money invested is what truly matters. Now for the fun part, choosing what to invest in. Vanguard gives you plenty of great, low-cost options within your Roth IRA. For beginners, a target date fund is an excellent choice. It automatically adjusts its investments as you get closer to retirement, making it very hands-off. Or, if you prefer, you can select broad market index funds or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. These offer great diversification and are a solid foundation for long-term growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.